Hello, hello. What's this? 2 streams in one day? What? What is happening? All right. So, decided on my lunch break, I'm going to take a little time and do some mess around with Splore, which is PICO8's community sharing platform. It is very awesome and I like it a lot. So I figured, why not? Let's do it. It's the holiday season, you know? Let's just have a good time. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I did not do my hair. I look like a mess. What is this little tough doing? Here, let's see if we can push that away. Oh no, way worse. Oh yeah, there we go. Who is this guy? Oh, what have I done with my life? Who knows? Oh, hold on. You on x.com can shush. Did I pop out the chat? Yeah, there we go. Chat has been popped. Popping that chat cherry. Okay. Shreya, what's up? Thanks for joining in. Had a little lunchtime. Figured we'd do some streaming, you know? Why not? Can't hurt. I do enough damage to my own reputation. I don't think an extra stream can hurt. How you doing, bud? Oh, I realized. Hold on. I gotta close this door. Hold on 1 second. Uno momento. Por favor. Here, wait. I gotta... Oh, yeah. There we go. He's back. He's back. Oh no, what did I do to the vertical over here? Vertical. Sorry, vertical streamers. Cooking food? Nice, bud. What are you cooking? You gotta answer. Hopefully it's something delish. Okay, let's fix this on vertical stream. There we go. All right, sorry about that, vertical pals. There we go. Chicken fry and rice. My man. Classic. Delicious, delicious classic. I support your choice of food. Oh, how's your day going? Anything new and exciting? Are you cooking dinner or lunch, or where are you? I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, you obviously don't have to dox yourself, but I don't remember where you're at. It's 12 midnight. Oh my god. What are you doing eating at midnight, dude? That's out of control. Out of control. Oh, hold on. I need to turn this down just a little bit. Is the music too loud, Shreyas? I can't tell. I never know. Other streamers have enough people that jump on stream and tell them when things are wrong. I just have to guess. All right. That's what I'm talking about. It's fine. Thanks, man. Awesome. Do you normally eat at midnight? That seems wild. I couldn't do it. I'd lose my mind. So kudos. Dude, that's wild to me. I am such a old person. I often eat my lunch now at like 11 a.m. I've already been up since 4 or 5. So it's like, well, I'm exhausted. Time to eat lunch. You know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Do I have any? Let me just check and make sure I didn't leave any weird windows open that are pushing sound through. Okay, good. That's not. Awesome. Shreyas, this is streaming round 2 for today. Streaming round 2. Got up this morning. I had nothing else to do. And I was like, I'm going to jump on stream and play some Terminator. And then it's lunch, and I was like, I'm doing it. You only eat once per day? I mean, I would not take any eating advice from me because I eat too much. But you eat once per day? Yeah, round 2. I was up this morning, so I was like, first I was gonna stream earlier, but then it snowed, so I had to go shovel the driveway. And then I was like, all right, well, since I'm up, might as well stream. And then now it's lunchtime, and you know, work is slow because we're obviously getting ready for the old holidays. So I figured, hey, why not? Let's jump on again. And I've been definitely playing with PICO8 a lot more. So I was like, hey, I don't know how many people know about Splore on PICO8. And it's awesome. So since you're here, you get the VIP mono-y-mono walkthrough. So there you go. You know, lucky man. That's all I gotta say. Let's see. Imagine having holidays could be me. Sorry, dude. I don't know what to tell you. You gotta have holidays every once in a while. It's important. It's good for you. Gotta take that time off, Shreyas. You gotta take that time off. Okay. We are all up and running. So I'm just double checking all of these silly things. Everything looks good. Looks good to me. So, okay. So, PICO8, the quick overview for anybody who doesn't know. Hold on. Holidays are for kids and old people? Yeah, well, I'm old, Shreyas. Leave me alone. And I have kids, so I get both. But what I was going to say, PICO8, let's start over. PICO8 is a fantasy console created by a guy that goes by the name of Lexalawful. And I can't remember his real name right now, but he's awesome. And he built the coolest fantasy console, in my opinion, that exists. It works as you can do all your coding in it, your drawing for all of your sprites. You can do all of your sound effects, your music, everything. It's super cool. But I think what has always made PICO8 the most interesting thing to me is that it does the community that's involved with it. I say Twitter. Yeah, I have put some Twitter videos out about PICO8. I mean, I've said many times and will continue to say, like, for me personally, using PICO8 changed my entire viewpoint on whether or not I could actually code anything. Like, there's something about being able to quickly type and see it move on screen that just clicks for me and made everything so much easier. So getting involved in PICO8 has been amazing for me, but the community of it, which I was a lot more into a few years ago, I'll be totally honest, I've kind of fell off. I have too many Discord channels and I can't keep track of them all. But I join like every Discord channel that comes up and then completely forget to ever actually use it. I have not tried RateLib. So I don't know if it was you who mentioned it to me the other day on Twitter, but somebody else was like, you should try RateLib. And I was like, okay. Here, let me really quick. I'll show you some before I get into Splore, and then we'll just see some of the cool games that people are making. But one of the things that I've always loved about this is like super easy, right? Coding screen. It's all in Lua. Boom. This is how you start it. You can do silly things. This super easy, just like this, and then you run it, and it clears the screen. Now, obviously, that's a very silly app that does nothing. Program, I mean, but like it's done. Then you can draw your sprites. So you want to draw, you know, some skull with some red creepy eyes. Let's do it, you know? Whoops. Let's see. How quickly can we draw a sweet skull with creepy eyes? I mean, that's not bad. Oh, that didn't look nice. Ah, forgot. I keep messing up if I'm on Windows or PC. That doesn't look great. But, you know, you could a little bit better. A little bit better. Oh, yeah, I think I'd actually rather... If I did it like this, I think that might be a little cooler. Although now we're getting a little too teethy. Anyways, I'm not really here trying to do some amazing drawing. But, like, hey, there's a skull. Super easy. Done. Super easy to add the skull to your page. It does kind of look like a ghost. I know. Oh, I messed up this symmetry. What is wrong here? I need a black there, right? No. Oh, I see. I need that one. And then I need that one. Oh, now it looks like a ghost for real. Or the Scream mask kind of, but with red eyes. But anyways, you do that. Then it's this. If you just want to add it, we're not going to add any actions or anything like that. It's sprite 1. See? Sprite 1. Boom. Oh, hello, YouTube. Somebody's on there. Thanks for joining in. We're going to do some Splore. We're going to check out Splore. But I was just quickly showing some PICO8, which is an awesome fantasy console. I highly recommend getting it. It's like 10 bucks. But then add the ghost. 1, we'll add it to 100, 100, boom, and check it out. There's my ghost. Like, or Scream mask, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But it's there. Then you can do, then like, it's super easy to do things like, you want to make a sound effect? I don't know if the music's going to be too loud, but hold on. Sound effects. Like, done. I'm not saying that's a good sound effect. I'm just you can make sound effects and you can make them however you want. You know? It's awesome. It's just legit. And then you can do that. And then if you get really intense and talented, then you can do like full music. But long story short, super simple. The entire suite of what you need in order to build a game is built in here. I'm going to quickly, let me just grab the URL and I'll put it in the chat because it's awesome. And like, it's super cheap. Lex the Lawful, the guy who makes it, he also did one called PICO8, which is just like an even more robust version. It's more like a, you know, it's considered, this is like a Commodore 64. PICO8's like, you know, Windows 3.1. Like, it's just a little, you know, a little bit less, little bit different constraints, but still constraints on what you can do. Here, hold on. I'm just gonna put this in chat. Here. Boom. That's the website. Highly recommend checking it out. Whoa, just went through all my chats. Nice. It's really cool, really easy to use. And like I said, the thing that I love the most about it is super straightforward. It's really fun and easy to use. And you can make all sorts of different games. So like, this is the 2 games that I made on here. And they were fun and I loved doing it and it was awesome. So, hold on one second. I feel like that music is chopping. Oh, I know. It's because my headphones are connected to my other computer too. So dumb. Anyways. Oh no, what am I doing here? I don't want that. Okay. So anyways, so that's kind of the brief overview of PICO8. And then since I'm already doing this, just to show you the cool thing. So like function in it is like how you start it. So let's just say we did something super simple like x equals 100, y equals 10. Then you'd run an update function. Update 60. 60 is just if you want to do 60 frames per second. Function draw. And that's where you do all your drawing functions. So you would, if you wanted to do any updates, you could do something like it just, we could do like the sprite equals 0. And then we could do, this would be every 60 seconds. So that would go really fast. I'm trying to think of it. There's not really good timer or weights. You can set a timer. You can set timers like, so you would set timer in the init. Let's just say equals 100. And then that's going to count down. And so you could do if timer is less than 0 or less than, yeah, we can just do less than 0, then sprite plus equals 1, or here, I don't want it to go cycle through a bunch of random sprites. If sprite is how about I want to do this? Greater than 1, then sprite equals 0. And then if it's not that, we'll do the sprite. And at the end of this, we'll also set timer back to 100. Now, I believe that'll cycle it. If I did that timer right, it's been a while. And then clear screen. And so this draw also runs every cycle. So update 60 runs 60 times per second. Draw runs with it. Now, I believe if I remember from the docs a long time ago, if you use update 60 and draw, they're slightly off, but it's fine for what we're doing, which is nothing right now. But then you would just go sprite equals sprite XY. And if I did that right, which I think I did, but if, is it just my headphones? Okay, good. It's just my headphones. Because they are running really messed up right now. I'm just going to close some of these things. I mean, it could just be the music. I could also just get rid of that. It's not like I need it. Okay, so anyways, when I run this, if I did it properly, that sprite should, every 100 frames, which is, so should be like 1 and a bit seconds, should cycle. Audio is fine? Okay, good. That's good. I think it's because I stupidly left my headphones connected to my Mac and my PC, and so my Mac is like tried to connect them and take over. But obviously there's music coming through on the PC, so it just keeps winning. Okay, here we go. Here's the test. Ready? Oh, shoot. Oh, what did I not close? Oh, oops. If and. Is that going to work? Nope, I messed it up. If timer is less than 0. I know there's a syntax error. I fixed it, but I also just realized I did this wrong. If timer is less than 0. If timer is less than 0. Sprite is greater than 1. Sprite equals 0. Sprite plus 1. What did I mess up? I feel like it's there. I feel like that should be right. Well, here. We'll do some debugging. I'm so dumb. I haven't done this in too long. We'll just do this. Sprite and print timer. And let's see what's happening. Ah, it's just not moving. Oh, of course. Stupid. Okay, you want to know how you fix that? You actually subtract the timer. That. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh yeah, and I guess I really don't want it as sprite is greater than 1. Really, if it equals 2, will that work better? Oops. What did I do wrong? Yeah, sprite. Oh, I think it's equals. Yeah. Will that work? Because then it'll be 1. It'll go to 2. Anyways, doesn't matter. It's still cycling. I could obviously work on that more if it really mattered, was trying to do the right thing. But this is good enough. I just wanted to show that you could do it. And it's pretty simple to get something that actually works and goes on screen and does something interesting. But why I started this whole thing was that we were going to go to Splore, which is one of the coolest parts about PICO8 is the community. And Splore is built into the PICO8 fantasy console. And it is a place where everyone can share and play each other's games. So you can do something as easy as see all the new games that have been posted. So like tons of games being made, right? Like what's this one? I have no idea. Let's check out Sputnik. Then this is why I always loved this. So this game works. Hold on, I'm gonna turn down the music. I might just pause it for a little bit. Okay, so here's what's so cool about this. So we've got this game. Ethan made it. Awesome. Maybe I want to play it, or maybe what I'm more interested in is, oops, I can see all the code. It's awesome. I can see everything that they used to make this game. And I can then go through it, make changes, do whatever I want. But every game that gets put on Splore, you get access to all of the code. It's the coolest thing ever when you're just starting out. You get to see all the sprites that they made. if they did any maps, their sound effects, any music, if they did any music. But you get the whole thing. And so then it's just like, okay, well now I've got access to this game, which is awesome. And I can make changes to it if I want, or you can just go on and play it. So here, let's try Sputnik. I know I've never played this before. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. I don't know what you're supposed to do. Shooting's not working. Oh, shooting's up. Okay. There you go. Nice. Not a bad game. Fairly simple. Very cool. Yeah, it's really awesome, Shreyas. Like, and like I said, there's a Discord channel for the PICO8 community, and those people are awesome. I mean, when I was first starting, everyone was always so nice. And I bring him up a lot just because I think it's so cool that he's in there. But Tom Hall, one of the co-creators of Doom, he loves PICO8, and he used to spend tons of time in the Discord, like just talking to people, making games. Like, it's just a really cool community. And as I said before, for me, it holds a really special place in just, it truly changed my concept of like, can I code? Because I used to always want to, and I try a bunch of things and I get started and fall off. And then this was just like, oh yeah, I can actually do it. All right, here, let's see what else we got. What are some of the featured ones? Oh, here we go. 2025 Advent calendar. Let's check this out. Oh, these are all the days? Okay. Oh. This is fun. This is pretty cool. But again, the absolute best part to me is I can do exit Splore, and I can see all their music. I can see all the sprites that they made. Oops. I can change them. I can do whatever I want with them. I'm trying to remember how you move the mouse. I think it's control? No. Shift? No. There's a way to move the cursor in here. Is it X? Oh, Z. Oh, but yeah, see, like I can mess all those up, and it's okay. Let's move that back up. But anyway, so you can see all of the sprites that they made. And then, like I said, if you want to see all the code, no problem. There it is. So this one is by Beaky Bird and Dorian C. Awesome. And music by Shadowfire, I'm assuming. Anyways. So I would happily pay for this all day, every day. I think, how much even is it right now? You can't see this because I don't have a window shared, but what does it cost to buy? Oh, so it's $14.99 now. And I don't know if he's still doing it, but you used to also get Picotron, or no, excuse me. He had this other one called Voxatron. Sorry for the cough. I'm sure that was really loud. I've been trying to use this like lavalier mic, but I realize when I cough, it's way louder. Probably way more annoying to hear. But all right, let's check out some more games on Splore. Let's see. Oh, this is funny. Okay. Well, I'm getting into Twitter beef stress accidentally. Okay, let's what else we got? Beam. Let's try this one. If you could pay for it all day, every day, why don't you buy me a copy? I think I even have a code, to be honest with you. So maybe I will. Maybe stop being a jerk about it, and then I'll get one for you. Did you ever think of that? Huh? Yeah, exactly. All right. Okay, let's try Beam. Let's try this one. Who's this one by? Oh, this is fancy. Unfollow, block, report, and cancel. That's fair. That's fair. Oh, look at this guy. I love those water effects. This game contains flashing lights. Okay, anybody following me on stream have epilepsy? Because if so, it's time to cover your eyes. Oh boy. This is really cool. This is really well done. But yeah, I love it. So like simple. Some of the games are super simple. Some of them are absolutely out of control. Whoa. I don't know what I just did there. Oh, well, there's a bird. Oh, that's a good bird. Yeah, whoever made this, who actually made this? Rupees. Awesome job. This is gorgeous. Oh, except did I just mess it up? Yeah, shoot. I had to start over. Well, here, I don't. Let's see what else we got. I want to see if I can find. So this. Oh yeah, here you go, Shreyas. I just wanted to show you, like, so obviously 2D. Most people do like just standard 2D games, all that jazz. But oh, did this chat stop working? Why is this not loading? Hold up. Oops. Hey. Oh, did I break it? Probably. Standard. Oh yeah, weird. Maybe I cut off more of this than I thought in my filter. What if I change the cropping and the padding and do a little less? There, now you can see more. That's why. Okay, nobody wants to see my face anyways, so. Boom. Here, I'll just sit up straight like a nice person. There we go. Oh, and also I realize now my vertical is looking silly. I should put PICO8 above it, even if it cuts off my face. Okay, there we go. So what I was saying, sorry, I just need to fix that because it was bugging me. One of the cool things is like some people figured out and have done a very good job at doing things like yeah, okay, sorry, messages. Have gotten like 3D stuff, which is just wild to me. So like, I have no idea how good this game is going to be, but Combat Chopper, let's check it out. Start career. Oh boy. Oh, what does this do? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, some of these games are mouse enabled. No, this one's not. I don't know. It's not working. Either it's not. Oh, either it's not working or I'm not working. I need instructions, man. Okay, that I can choose different things, so that's good. Oh, that's shooting. Uh-oh. Okay. I figured out how to shoot, sort of. Oh, you hold it down. Okay. What if I hold this down? Nope, that's not doing anything. What if I hold this down? Nope. What if I hold this down? Nope. I feel like I should be able to fly. And I don't know how. Because I... Oh. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Like, this is pretty wild, right? Like, I think if you saw the constraints of, like, what you are allowed to build in here, you'd understand that this is, like, super impressive. Oh, am I supposed to kill that guy? Oh, I don't know. Oh, yeah, target. How do I shoot him? Like this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm gonna crash into the ground. I'm gonna crash into the ground. Ah! There we go. Yeah, baby. Let's see if we can do a barrel roll in the helicopter. Nope. No. Crash. Anyway, that was pretty cool. That's a good one. Who made this one? This one. Oh, it doesn't have a name on it. Well, whoever made this one, good job. Oh, by Mott. Good job, Mott. Is the entire 3D to 2D projection in Lua? It is. It's all in Lua. Isn't that wild? Well, here, like, yeah, you can actually, again, because you can actually check out the code, which is awesome. So let's see. I'm not smart enough to read through this properly, but some people do like you can code directly in here, but you can also do things like if you can like you can open it in NeoVim or VS Code or whatever, and then make your coding changes, and then just refresh it in the PICO8 app. Then you can still see. But yeah, anyways, this is all the code. So like if you wanted to, now this is the thing. So this cart data, that's a feature that I've never played around with, but you can actually like load multiple carts, is what they call them. Like is what they call the whatever the games are saved on. But you can actually like program it so it'll load multiple carts, and then that way you can actually make your games way bigger. But I honestly don't know enough about it. But yeah, so like missions have their own like carts and data and all sorts of fun stuff. Oh, Loki just started a stream. Well, maybe when I have to go back to work, we'll raid Loki if you're still around. But yeah, anyway, so there's the whole code. I think that Splore is, and well, I think PICO8's amazing, obviously. if that hasn't come through yet, I think it's really cool. It's a lot of fun to use. It's really easy to use. But then the community and the Splore is just awesome. And like being able to see everybody's games and like what they're working on. And then you can even do things like people can post, they don't always, but people can post things like, yeah, Lucky Draw's fun. It'll just pick a random game. Hashtag sponsored. I should be sponsored, dude. Actually, you know what? To be totally fair to them, one day I just like randomly was like, I really love this so much. I want to just give away 10 codes to people. And I was ready to buy them. But so I messaged Lex Lawful and I was like, hey, I love what you've done. I really appreciate what you've been making here. I would like to give 10 codes away. What's the easiest way to buy them? Like, should I just buy them through the site? And being super nice, he was just like, oh, you're giving them away? That's great. Here's 10. And he just gave them to me. And I was like, this is like 3 years ago. But I was like, what a nice thing that he definitely did not have to do. Like, I was very much ready to pay for them. All right, let's try one more. Let's try Pico Ball. Let's see if this one's up. Okay. This is Jelpy. True. Jelpy is like the PICO8 mascot. A world-famous adventurer known for many amazing feats. Man, dude, people are so talented. Jelpy is known for inventing the sport of pickleball. And then disappearing. Spooky. Jelpy is back. And ready to rise the ranks. Pickleball's only rule is 2 bounces. Is a point for the other side. And with that, let's wish Jelpy luck in Pickleball. Oh my god. Think about how talented people are every day. I know. It's yeah. Like, I'm out here trying my best, and it's pretty embarrassing. compared to what other people can do. Like, I'm gonna try this game just because I don't want to not do it, but then I'm gonna show you like one of the things that I worked on that I'm so proud of that I figured out how to do, and it's just it's so much worse. Okay, let's try this. Strider, first appointment. I just want to try this game. I also love because these are just like 2 button. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was terrible. All right, let's try this again. Oh yeah. Oh, no. There we go. Yes, fall down. Heck yeah. This is actually really fun. I like this game. Yeah. Oh, I'm on his side. Boom. Oh, no. Ugh. This is a fun game. I like this. Good game. Good game. But then, oh, no. All right. That's awesome. Who made that? Munchkin. Great job. That's awesome. I made the Chrome Dino game in Bash once. Really? That's awesome. I like that. Okay, here. I'll show you. What's it called? This is a game that I started. What is it called? PICO8. Okay. Let's see. Pico. I was very excited about this. Like, I didn't finish the game, obviously. This is just kind of like a trial of what could be done. Oops. Load PICO8. But check this out. Oh yeah, look. So all I got to was like figuring out AI. I never got into like doing any hit points or anything, but I tried to make it so that the little Vader would chase you around, and you're Luke Skywalker. I was really proud of this, but I never finished it. I need to go back and finish it. The idea was it was going to be like a Street Fighter style game where you get to pick different Star Wars characters, and then they chase after you. But yeah, it was fun. I was also learning. See that like textured background? Oh, thank you. It is fun. That like textured background on the screen. I was trying to figure. There's like special codes to make that, like how you can do that, and it was pretty fun. But yeah, this was mostly I was just like trying to figure out like, okay, how do I get an AI character to like chase after you, and then take swings at you, and so it does like a cooldown and stuff. See, because that's why he's not swinging. It's obviously not very well balanced, but that was the idea. What else have I made? I've done so many like classic, just starting a million games and never doing anything with them. Like, what's this one? What is Diddy has been summoned by Epstein? Well, there you go. That's that is quite the alert. Thanks, Infinite Baby Oil. Thanks for joining and giving us the insight. Okay, here, check this out. This was, I was trying to figure out how to do like rope. I don't know if this is the right one, but oh yeah, here. So, oh no, that's not the right one. That one's too bad. Load. Is it rope test? Nope, that's a broken one. Load more rope. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. This was just trying to like figure out springs. So like each of those sections is a different part of the rope. What was which one? The one where it was just white stuff going all over the screen? That was improperly configured variables to try and do a spring. If that's the one you were talking about. What about this one? Spring rope. Is it this one? Oh no, this is just a start. Again, I was just trying to figure out. I was doing a bunch of tests for like rope. So it was this one. I guess I must have. It was dive, but then oops, I just never finished it. So like the idea was that it would be a diver, and then he could jump. But I clearly added way too much spring onto his onto his jump. But I was just trying to get this. I was trying to get to figure out like how to make it. Just how to make like a springy rope that like would look like it was underwater, kind of. Obviously, this one's too springy. And the jumping is just going straight to top and bottom. But the idea was like I said, just trying to figure out how to do the rope more than anything else. And so I got there mostly. I think I actually had a better thing done before I stopped. Let's see. Now I'm just looking at all these old projects. What else did I do? That looks like a snake. It does kind of look like a snake. Maybe it is a snake. I wasn't done yet. Could have been anything. Oh, some of these are not. I didn't even start. Like I just wrote the folder for them. This is one that I actually finished, so I won't play the whole thing. But I think I've showed this one before. For my nephew, it's birthday. I made him this. A bountiful treasure awaits. You must find all 16 magic scrolls to unlock the treasure. Solve the puzzles to find the scrolls. Go forth. You found a magic scroll. You found a key. Of course I need a key. That's how I get out of here. And so my nephew was turning 10, and so I made him this game where you had to find all these scrolls. And then found a magic scroll. What it was when you finish the game. Oh, I need a key. When you finish the game, the code that you got was a how do you share the game? So this one is shared through. I can just show it to you. This one I just shared on Lex the Lawful, like on the website, but you can play it for free there, which is fun. Here, I think you can join the BBS without. You have to let me know. Here, I'm gonna put this in here. Sorry, excuse me. I'm gonna cough here. I'm gonna mute it really fast. So here, that is the link to this game. So you should be able to play it. But yeah, I won't spoil it all. But you found a key. The whole point was after. So just so everyone knows, the code will not work. But if you solve all of the puzzles and you get all the scrolls, you got to go into a special room down here. And when you open the treasure, it plays a song, Happy Birthday, and it gave him a code, my nephew, a code for a Nintendo Switch gift card. So he got to play the game, and then if he beat the game, he got a gift card. So this one was a lot of fun to make too. I really like this one. Like I made some fun ones. I actually really like this game a lot. It was there. That's the last secret I'll show you. I actually just the other day on the weekend, my daughter, she for some reason she came in and I was playing with PICO8 and she was like, I want to check this out. And so I let her play it, and it was really cute. It was really funny to watch her play it. She did a good job. You're less thoughtless than I thought. It's all a ruse, man. You know? Gotta play the simpleton. Can't let all your cards out at the same time. That one was fun. Oh yeah, here, I'll show you this one, Shreyas. This one's stupid, but it was literally the first one that I ever made. It was the very first game that I ever made on here. It's so silly, but I love it. Load popper. So all you do is you pick a size of popcorn and then you pop it. This is just, learning about, all the fun stuff like camera shakes and particles, and that's it. That's the whole game. You pop all the popcorn. And you can go smaller size. You want a small? Quick popcorn burst. There you go. Oh yeah, pop that popcorn, baby. Beauty. That's it. That's all it is. But I actually really love that game because it was the first one I ever made, so it was fun. Okay, there's only one more I want to show you, and then I think it's almost time for me to get back to work. Where is it? No. Light year. No, none of these have I didn't do anything with so many of these. What if I go back here? Oh yeah, check this one out. This I just like. This is a super. I was doing like a stream, and I wanted to see if I could build something on stream, and so I built this little guy. Look at this little dude. Oh, he's begging to have a game. He is begging to be on a game. Like, come on. So cool. I don't know what he's gonna be, but he's some sort of slime, and he looks super cool. He's got to be a game at some point. Anyways, that's all I really want to do today. Well, mostly I wanted to get on Splore and just talk about PICO8 because I've been rekindled with my love for this system. Yeah, should I try Raylib? All right. Okay, give me the lowdown. What's the difference? Like what is Raylib? Simple, easy to here. I'm on the website here. Maybe I could show it. Hold on. Let me go into studio mode. Maybe I can even just open it up and read it for a minute. Main, and we'll get rid of that. Oh yeah, there you go. That should work. Okay, let's transition over. Boom. There's Raylib. All right. Hold on. I just need to resize some things because I can't see what I'm doing anymore. Okay. So, Raylib is a simple and easy to use library to enjoy video games programming. Should we watch the video? Should we watch the Raylib video? Let's do it. Can you hear this? Does it have any sound? Okay. Oh yeah, my headphones are so messed up I can't even hear what's going on. But that's fine. I can still watch it. You can hear it. I just can't hear it. Okay, I'm not going to watch the whole thing right now because I literally can't hear it. But the author library built it to teach graphics programming to students. Nice. I feel like that's always perfect. That's always the best way. Oh, $0. Well, that's even easier. Let's download Raylib. Actually, yeah, why not? I'll just download it right now. I'm not going to mess with it right now, but might as well download it. Note for adventurers. Raylib is a programming library to enjoy video games programming. No fancy interface, no visual helpers, no GUI tools or editors, just coding in pure Spartan programmer's way. Are you ready to enjoy coding? Oh, I did not know that. Wait. Pufferlib's a sponsor. Okay. I'm guessing Pufferlib uses Raylib. Super easy to use and written in C. Nice. Okay. I like this. I will definitely check it out. As with everything, I will add it to my ever-growing list of things that I want to pay attention to, and I will probably dive into it and then forget about it for like 2 months, and then come back to it, and then forget about it for another 2 months, and then come back to it. You know, just the standard way that I literally do everything. I don't know why. It's just who I am. I can't help myself. Look at the examples. Where are the examples? Technology tools, bindings, platforms, recognition. Oh, examples up here. I should probably just read it. Okay. All right. Let's check something out. Oh, 3D camera free. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Oh, that's cool. You know what's funny is I probably have, wouldn't even surprise me if I have Raylib in my Thoughtless CAD thing that I vibe coded on Gemini. It's probably in there. I wouldn't know, though. I've never looked at it. Oh, yeah. This is sweet. I'm into it. I'll do it. I'll play around with it. I like this. There's another one that I really like. There's oh, what is it? I can't remember what it's called right now. All right, this is sweet. Ooh, recursive tree. Let's check you out. Let's depth. Oh yeah, there we go. Decay. Oh. Whoa. Length. What are we doing here? Nobody even knows. This is cool. Thick. Yeah. Make it thick. Obviously. This is awesome. Okay. Thank you for actually showing me what it was or telling me to look it up because I had kept hearing about it, but I had never actually looked into it. So that'll be fun to play with. I like it. I like it. All right. What time is it? Have I almost made an hour? Oh, 50 minutes? Not too bad. Unfortunately, though, I got things to do. I did just want to jump on. Felt like a lunchtime stream was a fun idea. And who knows? Maybe I'll even come back on again tonight. 3 times in one day. Why not, man? More complex than PICO8, much more advanced. Yeah, I believe that. I mean, PICO8 definitely is built. I mean, you can make it very complex, but it's very much built for people to just get started. At least I think. It's still interesting because you still have to like build the game engine in PICO8, which I thought is cool. Like you still have to like, you know, none of that stuff's done for you. So you still learn a lot about, you know, like all of the, even in that like popper game, all the particles, like all the particle engine is hand coded. That sounds so dumb, but like just it's not like a library. Like you can't install anything. You just have to code it yourself, which is cool. Same in Raylib. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. I like this. Oh, I like these particles. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. This is what I wanted to show you. Okay. This is I was really proud of this when I figured it out. I think it although did I delete it accidentally? Tests. Oh, it's in tests. Okay, check this out. I was trying to learn how to do particles. I was also trying to learn how to do ray casting, but I hadn't quite figured it out yet. But check this out. I was really proud of this. No, not that one. Darn it. Is it liquid pixels? Is that what I called it? Oh man, I'm such an idiot. Load liquid pixels. Is it this one? Yes, look at that. Come on, dude. That's pretty good, right? I was really pleased when I figured out how to do this. Like, it's legit. Each one of those, it uses it checks the pixel next to it, and if the pixel excuse me, if the pixel is white, then it interacts with it. If it's black, then nothing. But yeah, I was like, oh, this is sweet. I really like this one. I think it looks awesome. But yeah. I feel like, I mean, it looks like water, I think. I mean, if you could see water on an individual scale. Because it doesn't, it looks like sand, but it interacts more like water. It doesn't really interact like sand. I made it as water, but I was just, mostly, like I said, I was just trying to do pixel, or I was trying to really figure out like how you could do particles. Anyways, yeah, I wanted to show that one because I was really, like I said, when I figured this one out, this was like pre AI. So this was me like digging through forums about like particle physics, trying to implement all of the functions and stuff. Like, you know, like, see, look at all this. Particle drop, figuring out the gravity, the friction. PICO8 is checking if it's what color of particle it's next to. And if it's next to the right one, then it doesn't bounce, which is the interaction that I called it. And like, that's it. I thought this was kind of cool. Like, that's the whole code. It's not that much. You know, and like, this is really just drawing it. And then the update function is, yeah, it adds particles consistently and then runs the particle drop. And that's it. That's the whole code. You know, pretty good system. 20, how many lines? 76 lines of code. Not too bad for somebody who's an idiot. Cool. Okay. Anyways, I got to get going, unfortunately, but excuse me. Sorry. Thank you for hanging out with me. I can't believe it's got to be what, like, now it's got to be like almost 1 for you, which is insane to me. But congrats on being cooler than I am and being able to stay up late and do cool things like eating. Nicely done. I'm 100% going to check out. That was a good stream. Aw, thanks, man. I'm glad it was enjoyable. It was fun. I'm glad I did it. And I mean, you'll probably end up seeing me on Twitter in the next like 2 minutes, but I do have to. I feel like I have to actually turn this off for a little bit. I'm gonna do more PICO8 stuff. I'm gonna try and do more PICO8 stuff, more boot.dev stuff, and then I do kind of like playing video game stuff. It's fun. So, and then Raylib. I'll add Raylib. That could be the next thing I take on another day. All right. All right, man. I really do appreciate you swinging by. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your evening, man. We'll talk soon. Bye.